Uptake and Daimler Truck North America are ready to revolutionize performance in the transportation industry. And they're doing it with cutting-edge data-as-a-service technology. That's right, a leading predictive maintenance analytics provider is now connected with the #1 manufacturer of Class 8 trucks. Uptake, with the help of data from Daimler Truck North America, deploys over 175 unique insights to illuminate and predict serious maintenance issues, allowing fleets to maximize uptime, optimize planning, and ultimately service their customers better. Uptake's predictive maintenance technology helps Daimler Truck customers predict vehicle failures down to the component level, well in advance of a fault code, tailor repair schedules based on a vehicle's actual usage, identify and deploy road-ready vehicles to their high-value customers. Uptake and Daimler Truck, working together to support the trucking business. Visit uptake.com for more information.